actually have not done a video like this yet. Sorry, I'm wiping my counter. It is, well, I guess I did a cook with me and then we kind of cleaned up. I'll link the video below. I ask on my Instagram what you guys want to see in the beginning of the month usually, so I can put it in my planner. You don't have a planner? Go get you one. It will save your life. I'm serious. But anyway, yes, I have paint all over my arm. We are in the process of redoing Aubrey's bed. Seth went to the store to go get the brackets that we need for it. I think they're brackets, whatever. The hardware. Anyway, so while he's gone, I'm gonna get this going. So, yes, on Instagram I ask you what you want to see throughout the month, and I had a couple people ask me to cook with me. Well, I'm going to be honest. I don't cook that much. Like tonight we're having tacos. That's like really cooking for me. Whenever Seth isn't here, it's really hard for me to like cook for the kids because they don't really like to eat stuff like that. So I just cook what is easy for me and what my kids will eat. So sometimes we have hot dogs and mac and cheese. I couldn't think of it. But today, because this is such a good recipe, I'm gonna share it with you guys, and I will write it out in the description box below. Make sure you go screenshot it. Okay, my grandma Wanda used to make banana bread when I was growing up, and I loved it. And I made hers a couple times. It was just dry, so then I went and found this other banana bread recipe. My friend from Louisiana, hopefully she watched this video. I see you. Anyway, I made banana bread one time when they were all over. I'm pretty sure I blew her mind because banana bread is amazing. No, I do not add nuts to my banana bread. Anyway, so I found this recipe. It's so good. I want to share it with you guys. I have been cooking this banana bread recipe for years. I know when Jake was a baby, so that's possibly 8 years. So yeah. So we need a cup and a half of sugar, a half a cup of butter, 2 bananas. I'm gonna do 2 1/2 because I'm gonna make 2 loaves. And so I'm just gonna split that, and I have 5 bananas, so yeah. You can add 2 to 3 bananas, whichever. I need to actually get my butter out, and it should be softened. Where was I? The bananas, you need 2 eggs, a cup and 3/4 cup of flour, excuse me, a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of soured milk. You're gonna watch TV? Just like,
nope.
Yes, you can. Preheat the oven to 350. My butter isn't softened. So I'm just going to, let's get into shape while it's softened. It's soft. All right, I forgot. To sour milk. So I need a half a cup. I always do this first, and then a little bit of vinegar, and I'm gonna measure it. want the bananas ripe. I actually like mine to be a little bit more ripe than this, but I'm trying to get this video in. I'm all out of baking powder, so I googled how to make it. You add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. And cream of tartar is a fluff. You use it for egg whites, right? Egg whites, yes. To make meringue. So there is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I've already mixed the other stuff. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I hope you try this banana bread recipe. I will see you guys in the next one.